Thank you for your interest in NuView's raised garden bed. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your raised garden bed. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuView's products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Using one of the corner brackets, align it to the end of one of the long side panels. The bracket's holes are to be on the outside of the long side panel that has the pre-drilled holes. Ensure the holes on the corner bracket and the holes on the long side panel are lined up. Step 2. Holding the bracket and long side panel firmly in place, insert the thumb screws into the hole of the corner bracket. Once the thumb screw is inserted into the hole, tighten the thumb screw clockwise until firmly in place. Repeat this step for the other insertion hole. Step 3. Align another long side panel at a 90-degree angle to the long side panel that was just prepared in Step 2. Fit the long side panel into the corner bracket until the holes on the long side panel and the holes in the corner bracket are lined up. Insert 2 more thumb screws and tighten firmly into place. Repeat Step 3 for the remaining panels and corners. Step 5. Fill with soil and enjoy!